अष्टमोऽध्यायः ध्यानम् अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं मृगपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पं चापहस्ताम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैरहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। ॐ ऋषिरुवाच चण्डे च निहते दैत्ये मुण्डे च विनिपातिते बहुलेषु च सैन्येषु क्षयितेष्वसुरेश्वरः ततः कोपपराधीन चेता शुम्भः प्रतापवान् उद्योगं सर्वसैन्यानां दैत्यानामादिदेशः. So we just did few lines. Now what happens? We saw like Shumba got very angry and he's now mobilizing his, like, you see there are different clans in under him. Every clan has one clan head. He has got some 50, 60 families, 80 families, 100 families under him. Now he is asking all those families of Asuras also get into the battle. That is what it is. The next we will be seeing few names of the families, how many families they are, and they are going for the battle. And he will go only in the end. What happens when you see it? First, Dhumralochana came alone. Ambal was alone. Next, Chandamunda came. Ambal and Kali were there. Two people were there. Though Kali was the one who fought. Now he is increasing his number of people. So, what is going to be her reaction? Whether she is also going to increase that many number, that is what is explained here. Okay, so we have to understand everything comes from her and everything goes back to her. Whether it is one or many, it doesn't matter anyway. Okay. Adya sarva balairdaityaha
अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्याः
षडशीतिरुधायुधाः अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्याः षडशीतिरुधायुधाः
अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्याः षडशीतिरुधायुधाः अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्याः
See, Daitya, don't stop there. See, when the Sandhi comes, you can use Ish as Sandhi. So, or as Sandhi. Those two options are there. So either don't stop. Some people say there is nothing wrong in that. Adya sarva balairdaityaha shadasetirudaayudaha. There is nothing wrong in that. But in uniform, you say take one and say it. If you want to say it as sarva balairdaityaha, no problem. Sarva balairdaityaha shadasetirudaayudaha. Both are correct, okay? So, but decide what you want to do, and if everybody follows the same, it will be nice to hear. Okay? Adya sarva
balairdaityaः षडशीतिरुदायुधाः अद्य सर्वबलैर्दैत्याः षडशीतिरुदायुधाः
Kambunam chaturashithir Niryantu svabhalairvrtaha
Niryantu svabhalairvrtaha Niryantu
chaturashithirniryantu svabalairvrutaha.
Kambunam chaturashithirniryantu svabalairvrutaha. Kambunam chaturashithirniryantu svabalairvrutaha.
Adya sarvabhalairdaityah षडशीतिरुधायुधाः कम्बूनां चतुरशीतिर्निर्यान्तु स्वबलैर्वृताः.
Adya sarvabalairdaityaः षडशीतिरुधायुधाः Kambunam chaturashithirniryantu svabalairvrutaha. Adya sarvabalairdaityaः षडशीतिरुधायुधाः Kambunam chaturashithirniryantu svabalairvrutaha.
So now Adhya means now. Sarva Bhalair Daityah. Let all the clans of Daityas come. Sarva Bhalair means army of Daityas. Let them all come now. First, he's Shatashithir Udayudaha. Udayuda is the first family he is mentioning. Udayudaha. Udayuda means people with uplifted arms. Udayuda, the family is always keeping arms. Like you can see so many Punjabis keeping the dagger. Like that they are up in arms all the time. So they are all called Udayuda. Shatashiti. Shiti means 80. Shatashiti means 86. 86 families of Udayudaha. Okay. Then Kambu family is the next family he is mentioning. Chaturashithir. What is Shatashiti is 86 means. Chaturashiti means 84. Chaturashiti. Shatashiti, Chaturashiti. Chaturashiti means 84 families of Kambu families. Niryantu, they all set forth Swabalair Vrataha along with their army, like along with their individual. They all will have small forces around them. They take all the forces and move. They set forth for the battle. He is asking, okay, he is giving the order, command. Okay, you all go like this. Koti Viryani Panchashat.
Koti Viryani Panchashat. Koti Viryani Panchashat.
Asuranam Kulani Vai.
Asuranam Kulani Vai. Asuranam Kulani Vai.
Koti Viryani Panchashad Asuranam Kulani Vai.
Koti Viryani Panchashad Asuranam Kulani Vai. Koti Viryani Panchashad Asuranam Kulani Vai.
Shatam Kulani Dhaumranam.
Shatam Kulani Dhaumranam. Shatam Kulani Dhaumranam.
Nirgachantu Mamanyaya.
Nirgachantu Mamanyaya. Nirgachantu Mamanyaya.
Shatam Kulani Dhaumranam. Nirgachantu Mamanyaya.
Shatam Kulani Dhaumranam. Nirgachantu Mamanyaya. Shatam Kulani Dhaumranam. Nirgachantu Mamanyaya.
Koti Viryani Panchashad Asuranam Kulani Vai. Shatam Kulani Dhaumranam. Nirgachantu Mamanyaya.
Koti Viryani Panchashad Asuranam Kulani Vai. शतं कुलानि धौम्राणां निर्गच्छन्तु ममाज्ञया कोटिवीर्याणि पञ्चाशदसुराणां कुलानि वै शतं कुलानि धौम्राणां निर्गच्छन्तु ममाज्ञया.
From Koti Virya, Panchashad Asura, 50 families of Asura, Kulani Vai. So 50 Koti Virya family and Shatham Kulani Dhaumrana. Dhaumra family, 100 families. They all, let them all nirgachantu, let them all depart at my command, mamanyaya, at my command, let them all depart for the battlefield. Okay, this is what. So, Koti Viryani is 50 families, Dhaumra is 100 families they have left. Kalaka Daurhruta Maurya.
Kalaka Daurhruta Maurya. Kalaka Daurhruta Maurya.
Kalakeyas tatha suraha. Kalakeya. Kalakeya is name. What is written there? Kalakeya. Kalakeya is the name. Let me see whether there is a no Padabedam. So Kalakeya only. Kalakeya is the name of the family. Okay, not the family name of the Asura, because these are all the Asura's name. Kalaka Daurhruta Maurya. Kalakeyas tatha sura.
Kalaka Daurhruta Maurya. Kalakeyas tatha sura. Kalaka Daurhruta Maurya. Kalakeyas tatha sura.
Yuddhaya sajja niryantu.
Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Yuddhaya sajja niryantu.
Anyaya tvarita mama.
Anyaya tvarita mama. Anyaya tvarita mama.
Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Anyaya tvarita mama.
Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Anyaya tvarita mama. Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Anyaya tvarita mama.
Kalaka Daurhruta Maurya. Kalakeyas tatha suraha. Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Anyaya tvarita mama.
Kalaka Daurhruta Maurya. Kalakeyas tatha suraha. Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Anyaya tvarita mama. Kalaka Daurhruta Maurya. Kalakeyas tatha suraha. Yuddhaya sajja niryantu. Anyaya tvarita mama.
So these are all the names of different asuras. Kalaka, Daurhruta. I will tell you the meaning of each one of them in the end once we finish this. Daurhruta, Maurya, Kalakeyas. All this, let all these asuras Yuddhaya Sajja Niryantu. When you go, how you dress up yourself for a battlefield, fully armed, with wearing armor. Sajja means dressed in armor and everything. Sajja. Yuddhaya Sajja. So they are going for the battle. Let them go appropriately for the battlefield, wearing armors and everything. Niryantu. Let them set forth. Anyaya Tvarita. Set forth Tvarita. Quickly. Let them not delay anymore. Let them leave quickly, because he is so desperate now. So let them leave quickly for the battlefield. This is at my command. He is like, giving command one after another. Intyanyat
इत्याज्ञाप्यासुरपतिः
शुम्भो भैरवशासनः
शुम्भो भैरवशासनः शुम्भो भैरवशासनः
इत्याज्ञाप्यासुरपति इत्याज्ञाप्य all dirgham इत्याज्ञाप्यासुरपति because asurapati so ityajnapya asurapati ityajnapyasurapati okay all dirgham remember that okay ityajnapyasurapati शुम्भो भैरव शासनः
इत्याज्ञाप्यासुरपतिः शुम्भो भैरवशासनः इत्याज्ञाप्यासुरपतिः शुम्भो भैरवशासनः
निर्जगाम महासैन्य
निर्जगाम महासैन्य
सहस्रैर्बहुभिर्वृतः निर्जगाम महासैन्य सहस्रैर्बहुभिर्वृतः
निर्जगाम महासैन्य सहस्रैर्बहुभिर्वृतः निर्जगाम महासैन्य सहस्रैर्बहुभिर्वृतः
इत्याज्ञाप्यासुरपतिः शुम्भो भैरवशासनः निर्जगाम महासैन्य सहस्रैर्बहुभिर्वृतः
इत्याज्ञाप्यासुरपतिः शुम्भो भैरवशासनः निर्जगाम महासैन्य सहस्रैर्बहुभिर्वृतः इत्याज्ञाप्यासुरपतिः शुम्भो भैरवशासनः निर्जगाम महासैन्य सहस्रैर्बहुभिर्वृतः.
So after issuing all these orders, Ityajnapya Asurapati, the lord of all the demons, Shumbho Bhairava Shasana, gave all these asuras and orders, all these orders to the. He issued all these orders one by one. Nirjagama, he himself now started going to the battlefield. Mahasainya Sahasrair Bahubir Vrataha. He is surrounded by thousands of army people. Thousands, Bahubir. Sahasrair means thousands. So they are all Bahubir Vrataha. They are all very powerful and very strong, mighty troop it is. So he is surrounded by them and he is also starting behind all these families that now he has sent. So now we have got a huge, how much it is escalated from one-man army to thousands, slowly it got escalated. So now I told you that I will tell the meaning of all the words here, that families' names and the Asura's names. Udhayudha I told is with upraised weapons. That is the Udhayudha means holding the weapons high. Kambu Nam. Kambu is that bandits, no? Looters. On the way, like you will have thieves blocking the way, bandits. Those kind of people are Kambu people. Koti Virya is they are very brave, very strong and very brave people. Dhumra, you know Dhumra, what it is? It is smoky. Like they don't have good vision. That kind of smoky kind of people. And Kalaka is dark people. Kalakeya is also dark. Daurhrida is the evil-hearted. Daurhrida, hrida means heart. Daurhrida is evil-hearted people. And what else? Maurya. Maurya is destroyer. Destroyers are, they tend to destroy everything, so they are destroyers of the field. Kalakeya is again, I told, is darkness it is. Okay. Now let us see, after this escalation, what is Chandika's response here? Ayantam Chandika Drishtva.
Ayantam Chandika Drishtva. Ayantam Chandika Drishtva.
Tatsainyamati Bhishanam.
Tatsainyamati Bhishanam. Tatsainyamati Bhishanam.
Ayantam Chandika Drishtva. Tatsainyamati Bhishanam.
Ayantam Chandika Drishtva. Tatsainyamati Bhishanam. Ayantam Chandika Drishtva. Tatsainyamati Bhishanam.
Jasvanaif Purayamasa.
Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Jasvanaif Purayamasa.
Dharani Gaganantaram.
Dharani Gaganantaram. Dharani Gaganantaram.
Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram.
Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram. Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram.
Ayantam Chandika Drishtva. Tatsainyamati Bhishanam. Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram.
Ayantam Chandika Drishtva. Tatsainyamati Bhishanam. Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram. Ayantam Chandika Drishtva. Tatsainyamati Bhishanam. Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Dharani Gaganantaram.
Chandika sees the army, Ati Bhishanam, very formidable force. She saw that entire army approaching her. Ayantam, they are coming towards her. Jasvanaif Purayamasa. Immediately that resonance of her bowstring, Jasvanai means the resonance of the bowstring. Purayamasa Dharani. Dharani means earth. Gaganantaram means space. The resonance of her bowstring, she got angry. That shows, the resonance of her bowstring filled the space between the earth and the sky. Entirely it filled. It was so loud. She saw the army approaching her, and the moment she strung her bow, and the sound was like filling the space everywhere. Okay. Tata Simho Mahanadam.
Tata Simho Mahanadam. Tata Simho Mahanadam.
Ati Vakritavan Drupa.
Ati Vakritavan Drupa. Ati Vakritavan Drupa.
Tata Simho Mahanadam Ati Vakritavan Drupa.
Tata Simho Mahanadam Ati Vakritavan Drupa. Tata Simho Mahanadam Ati Vakritavan Drupa.
Ghanta Svanena Tannadam.
Ghanta Svanena Tannadam. घण्टास्वनेन तन्नादम्
Ambika Chopabrumbhayat.
Ambika Chopabrumbhayat. Ambika Chopabrumbhayat.
Ghantasvanena Tannadam Ambika Chopabrumbhayat.
Ghantasvanena Tannadam Ambika Chopabrumbhayat. Ghantasvanena Tannadam Ambika Chopabrumbhayat.
Tatasimho Mahanadamativa Krutavan Nrupa. Ghantasvanena Tannadam Ambika Chopabrumbhayat.
Tatasimho Mahanadamativa Krutavan Nrupa. Ghantasvanena Tannadam Ambika Chopabrumbhayat. Tatasimho Mahanadamativa Krutavan Nrupa. Ghantasvanena Tannadam Ambika Chopabrumbhayat.
So,
Tannada, is there a sandhi there? Tannada Nambika is given here.
Tannada Nambika is a Padabhetam is there. Padabhetam is there.
Okay.
Tannada Nambika. It is, there is a Padabhetam. Tannadam Ambika. So when I say it, when I say the meaning, you will understand, like, you know. But both are correct. Tannada Nambika is also correct. But Tannadam Ambika is what is in the text, okay. The moment the string, bowstring was, the resonance was heard, Simham will not keep quiet, no. He makes a loud noise, deafening noise. Mahanadam Adhiva Krutavan. He made such a loud noise that Simham made a very loud, deafening noise. Nrupa here means the rishi is addressing the king. O king, after the sound of the bow, the resonant sound of the bow strings, followed by Simha's deafening roar. And then Ambika's one hand is bow, one hand, I mean, she has got a lot of hands there. So one bell she is holding, no? Ghantasvanena Tannadam. So she is clanging her bell. That bell noise, the clanging bell noise, it increased the sound. It increased. Brumhayatha means it is increased. The sound actually increased. All commotion there. One bowstring commotion and Simha commotion and the bell clanging commotion. All together. Okay. Dhanurjya Simha Ghantanam.
Dhanurjya Simha Ghantanam. Dhanurjya Simha Ghantanam.
Nada Purita Dhingmukha.
Nada Purita Dhingmukha. Nada Purita Dhingmukha.
Dhanurjya Simha Ghantanam. Nada Purita Dhingmukha.
Dhanurjya Simha Ghantanam. Nada Purita Dhingmukha. Dhanurjya Simha Ghantanam. Nada Purita Dhingmukha.
Ninadhair Bhishanah Kali.
Ninadair Bhishanah Kali. Ninadair Bhishanah Kali.
Jigye Vistaritanana.
Jigye Vistaritanana. Jigye Vistaritanana.
Ninadhair Bhishanah Kali. Jigye Vistaritanana.
Ninadair Bhishanah Kali. Jigye Vistaritanana. विस्तारितानना
धनुर्ज्या सिंहघण्टानां नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा निनादैर्भीषणैः काली जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना
धनुर्ज्या सिंहघण्टानां नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा निनादैर्भीषणैः काली जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना धनुर्ज्या सिंहघण्टानां नादापूरितधिङ्मुखा निनादैर्भीषणैः काली जिज्ञे विस्तारितानना.
There is one more person present there. She is Kali. The noise that she made, the sound, the howling sound that she made, drowned all these noises, other noises from the bowstring, the lion, and the bell, the clanging of the bell. Everything got drowned, the noise got drowned by the way she roared, the screamed, howled. Like what more adjective is there to say how loud it was? All the adjectives fit in here. Jigye, it was so prominent, drowning all the other voices. Vistaritarina, her wide open mouth. From that she made that kind of a noise. Adhibhishan, ninadair bhishan. That ninadam is the noise. Her sound was so loud, bhishanair, a terrifying sound, howling sound she made that. Now we understand, like there were thousands of people standing there, and here we have a beautiful Chandika one, and one lion is there, and a horrible Kali is horrific. One beautiful, one horrific Kali is there. Only 3 people are standing here. Opposite, there are thousands of people standing. Asuras. I mean, for Kali it doesn't make any difference. But what happens, like it is only there is so much of battle between that equanimity in the battle, like both are in the same level, so to fight the same kind of a thing. So what happens next is all the gods, it's very beautiful here. It is only in this Devi Mahatmyam, it is mentioned, it is God's powers, Shakti. In all the other Puranams, if you see, they are all mentioned as God's consorts, wife of that God. But here it is mentioned the Shakti of each gods. They are not different from the gods themselves. They are equal in all their aspects, and they are the activating Shakti that makes the gods act. This is the interpretation. Only you can find it in the Devi Mahatmya. In all the other places, they are the beautiful maiden sitting next to the gods. If you see Mahalakshmi, if you see Parvati, all the Nrsimha has kept Mahalakshmi on his lap. So you feel like they are all very dainty figure, very like petite dainty figures, and not. But here they are all in the war mode. So it is mentioned they are not just consorts, they are actually their power and energy that comes out. Their energy, and they are equal in everything to their respective gods from whom they get out. That is what it is, okay? Tam ninadamupashrutya Daitya Sainyaischaturdisham
दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशम्
तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशम्
तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशम् तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशम्
देवी सिंहस्तथा काली
देवी सिंहस्तथा काली देवी सिंहस्तथा काली
सरोषैः परिवारिताः
सरोषैः परिवारिताः सरोषैः परिवारिताः
देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः
देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः
तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशम् देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः
तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशम् देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः तं निनादमुपश्रुत्य दैत्यसैन्यैश्चतुर्दिशम् देवी सिंहस्तथा काली सरोषैः परिवारिताः.
So the army also heard all this noise. When all the world can hear, why not the army? No. So the army heard the noise and they were all so angry. They all went in all Chaturdisham, Daitya Sainya Chaturdisham, all the four directions they were closing in on Devi, Simham and Kali. Devi, Simham, Kali, three are standing there, and from all the four sides the angry, enraged army of Daityas are surrounding them. Okay? So now Devi also multiplies her force now. Etasminnantare bhupa
Etasminnantare bhupa Etasminnantare bhupa
Vinashaya suradvisham
Vinashaya suradvisham Vinashaya suradvisham
Etasminnantare bhupa Vinashaya suradvisham
Etasminnantare bhupa Vinashaya suradvisham Etasminnantare bhupa Vinashaya suradvisham
Bhavayamara simhanam
Bhavayamara simhanam Bhavayamara simhanam
Ativirya balanvitaha
Adivirya balanvitaha Adivirya balanvitaha
Bhavayamara simhanam Ativirya balanvitaha
Bhavayamara simhanam Adivirya balanvitaha Bhavayamara simhanam Adivirya balanvitaha.
Actually it is only a comma there. Continuation comes in the next lines also. Okay. Etasminnantare bhupa vinashaya suradvisham Bhavayamara simhanam Ativirya balanvitaha
Etasminnantare bhupa vinashaya suradvisham सुरद्विषाम् भवायामरसिंहानामतिवीर्यबलान्विताः एतस्मिन्नन्तरे भूपद्विनाशाय सुरद्विषाम् भवायामरसिंहानामतिवीर्यबलान्विताः.
Etasmin, at that very moment, Antare, to offset or to safeguard the gods. Safeguard the gods. Vinashaya Suradvisham, to kill their adversaries, destroy their adversaries. Suradvisham is the enemies of gods. Suradvisham, Bhavayamar, and to protect them. Protect their well-being. Bhavayamara, Amara Simha, Simhana, Ativirya Balanvitaha. So, very brave and powerful Kama. We will continue in the next one. So, the moment walking here, they are saying, Bhupa here saying, is the king. The Rishi is addressing the king. He says, at that very moment, O king, what happened? To protect, to safeguard the gods, celestials, their well-being, as well as to destroy their adversaries. Brave and very powerful energies that they come out with. From whom and all it is coming is what is mentioned next line. Okay, so Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam,
Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam, Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam,
Tatendrasya cha Shaktayah, Tatendrasya cha Shaktayah,
Tatendrasya Shaktayah, Taten irka mami?
Tatendra Indra, Tat Indra, Tatendra, Tatendrasya cha Shaktayah, Indra, Brahma, Isha, Guha, Vishnu, Indra. The 5 people they have mentioned. Okay. Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam, Tatendrasya cha Shaktayah,
Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam, Tatendrasya cha Shaktayah, Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam, Tatendrasya cha Shaktayah,
Sharirebhyo Vinishkramya,
Sharirebhyo Vinishkramya, Sharirebhyo Vinishkramya,
Tadrupaishchandikam Yayuhu,
Tadrupaishchandikam Yayuhu, Tadrupaishchandikam Yayuhu,
Sharirebhyo Vinishkramya, Tadrupaishchandikam Yayuhu,
Sharirebhyo Vinishkramya, Tadrupaishchandikam Yayuhu, Sharirebhyo Vinishkramya, Tadrupaishchandikam Yayuhu,
Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam, Tatendrasya cha Shaktayah, Sharirebhyo Vinishkramya, Tadrupaishchandikam Yayuhu.
Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam, Tatendrasya cha Shaktayah, Sharirebhyo Vinishkramya, Tadrupaishchandikam Yayuhu, Brahmesha Guha Vishnunam, Tatendrasya cha Shaktayah, Sharirebhyo Vinishkramya, Tadrupaishchandikam Yayuhu.
Very brave and strong Shaktis, they emerged. Vinishkramya means they got out of them, sprang forth from them, got out of the Vinishkramya. I mean, they just didn't come very slowly. The moment that was happening. They are being surrounded by thousands of army people, then army men, Rakshasas. At that very moment, the Shaktis sprang forth from the bodies of Brahma, Isha, Vishnu. Guha, Vishnu, Guha means Muruga. So, Subramanya, Indra, from all these 5 bodies, all these Shaktis emerge. From Vishnu, only 3 Shaktis emerge. Vaishnava Shakti, Nrsimha Shakti, Varahamurti, Varahi. So, the 3 Shaktis emerge from Vishnu alone. Baki, everybody, one Shakti emerge from them. From Vishnu, 3 Shaktis emerge. Okay. They all, Chandikam Yayuhu, they all approached Chandika. They emerged from their bodies and approached Chandika. So each Shakti Tadrupa is exactly like their counterpart. Exactly like their counterpart. They were looking like exactly like how their counterpart was. Nrsimha Murti means the Shakti also looked like Nrsimha only, excepting in the feminine form. Varahamurti, Varahi, Matulam, Varaham, like Varaham, she also had a boar face. Exactly like their counterpart, they were looking in the same form they came. Yasya devasya yadrupam.
Yasya devasya yadrupam. Yasya devasya yadrupam.
Yatha bhoshana vahanam.
Yatha bhoshana vahanam. Yatha bhoshana vahanam.
Yasya devasya yadrupam. Yatha bhoshana vahanam.
Yasya devasya yadrupam. Yatha bhoshana vahanam. Yasya devasya yadrupam. Yatha bhoshana vahanam.
Tadvadeva hi tatshakte.
Tadvadeva hi tatshakte. Tadvadeva hi tatshakte.
Asuran yodhumayayau.
Asuran yodhumayayau. Asuran yodhumayayau.
Tadvadeva hi tatshakte rasuran yodhumayayau.
Tadvadeva hi tatshakte asuran yodhumayayau. Tadvadeva hi tatshakte asuran yodhumayayau.
Yasya devasya yadrupam yatha bhoshana vahanam. Tadvadeva hi tatshakte rasuran yodhumayayau.
Yasya devasya yadrupam yatha bhushana vahanam. Tadvadeva hi tatshakte asuran yodhumayayau. Yasya devasya yadrupam yatha bhushana vahanam. Tadvadeva hi tatshakte asuran yodhumayayau.
Whatever the gods form that they emerged from, they were exactly looking like them. Yadrupam, that god's form, yatha bhushan, and they are also wearing the same kind of jewelry and vahanam. Their vahanam is a jewelry. It is not just jewelry, it is also the arms that the gods are having. The same thing, these Shaktis are also having the same kind of weapons in their hands. And yada bhushan, vahanam. Vahanam means they are also, Vishnu means eagle means she is coming in an eagle only. Like that. The same. Vrishabha vahanam only this Ishwari comes. Like that, their vahanam is also the same. And in that same form, Tat Shakti Asuran Yodhumayayo. They just go into the battle to combat the Asuras. In the same form, how they have emerged. Then each Shakti is now explained Okay, how they are looking and what they are wearing and what is their vahana. Hamsa yukta vimanagre.
Hamsa yukta vimanagre. Hamsa yukta vimanagre.
Saksha sutra kamandaluhu.
Saksha sutra kamandaluhu. Saksha sutra kamandaluhu.
Hamsa yukta vimanagre. Saksha sutra kamandaluhu.
Hamsa yukta vimanagre. Saksha sutra kamandaluhu. Hamsa yukta vimanagre. Saksha sutra kamandaluhu.
Ayata brahmana shaktir.
Ayata brahmana shaktir. Ayata brahmana shaktir.
Brahmani sabhidhiyate.
Brahmani sabhidhiyate. Brahmani sabhidhiyate.
Padabedam is there.
Brahmanitya.
Brahmanitya Brahmani sabhidhiyate. It's not much of a difference. What she is called as Brahmani, whether it is like, Brahmani bhidiyate or Brahmani sabhidhiyate. It is only the meter, no? How they make it dirgham. Brahmani bhidiyate. Like that dirgham, when they do it, the meter will not get affected. Brahmani sabhidhiyate, also the meter will not. See, that is where, like when you are saying it, meter should not get affected. Whether like, you are splitting or whether you are doing this sandhi you are using, whatever it is, it should not affect the meter. Okay? Ayata brahmana shaktir brahmani sabhidhiyate.
Ayata brahmana shaktir brahmani sabhidhiyate. Ayata brahmana shaktir brahmani sabhidhiyate.
Hamsa yukta vimanagre. Saksha sutra kamandaluhu. Ayata brahmana shaktir brahmani sabhidhiyate.
Hamsa yukta vimanagre. Saksha sutra kamandaluhu. Ayata brahmana shaktir brahmani sabhidhiyate. Hamsa yukta vimanagre. Saksha sutra kamandaluhu. Ayata brahmana shaktir brahmani sabhidhiyate.
So, this Shakti is coming in a chariot drawn by Hamsa, swans. Hamsa Yukta, two swans are riding that chariot, drawn by these two swans. Saksha Sutra, Aksha Sutram is the Japamala, Akshamala. Aksha Sutram it is called. Akshamala and Kamandaluhu, a water pot she is holding. She is holding one Akshamala and a water pot. Ayatha Brahmana Shakti, the Shakti emerged from Brahma, Shakti, and she is called Brahmani Sabhidhiyate. She is called as Brahmani. Now if you little get into the details of what it is, Hamsa is drawing the chariot. I don't know whether you people are aware of Hamsa mantra. Hamsaha, I am the Brahma. Mahavakyam it is. Hamsaha, I am the Brahma. I am him, I am thou, thou art. Thou art me, it shouldn't be. Here I am only him. Hamsa Mantram, that is called. That is actually is the Mahavakyam. Hamsa Mantram is separately initiated into as a Mahavakyam. And Akshamala denotes the repetition of that mantra. When you repeat the Hamsa Mantra, that is why she is holding the Japamala. Then Kamandalu contains water. Water denotes so many things. Water denotes fertility. Everything depends on water. No? The entire Prapancham depends on water. Our earth is filled with water. 75% of our earth is filled with water. It not only does that, it also denotes purification of the souls. Water also purifies. We all go to take a dip in the Ganga, all the sacred waters, only to purify ourselves. No? Ganga never gets it never loses its purity, though it takes away all of us. So that water is for purification. Water has got so many things. That is why she is holding the water pot. Her way of, like, very, very sattvic way of redeeming the soul by the mantra japam and the purification. She doesn't go like Kali, because she is Brahma Shakti. She is Saraswati Rupam. She gives that knowledge and the purification that follows it. Understand, each Shakti denotes something. I will just explain as we go. So first Brahma Shakti, she's riding on a chariot drawn by two swans, Hamsa, and she's holding Akshamala and a Kamandalam. And she's this Shakti who emerged from Brahma, so she's called Brahmani. Okay. Behind the thing, what it means, only what I explained. Okay. Each Shakti has got this thing, why they have come the way they have come. Maheshwari Vrusharudha,
Maheshwari Vrusharudha, Maheshwari Vrusharudha,
Trishula Varadharini,
Trishula Varadharini, Trishula Varadharini,
Maheshwari Vrusharudha, Trishula Varadharini,
Maheshwari Vrusharudha, Trishula Varadharini, Maheshwari Vrusharudha, Trishula Varadharini,
Mahahivalaya Prapta,
Mahahivalaya Prapta, Mahahivalaya Prapta,
Chandra Rekha Vibhushana,
Chandrarekha Vibhushana, Chandrarekha Vibhushana,
Mahahivalaya Prapta, Chandra Rekha Vibhushana,
Mahahivalaya Prapta, Chandrarekha Vibhushana, Mahahivalaya Prapta, Chandrarekha Vibhushana,
Maheshwari Vrusharudha, Trishula Varadharini, Mahahivalaya Prapta, Chandra Rekha Vibhushana,
Maheshwari Vrusharudha, Trishula Varadharini, Mahahivalaya Prapta, Chandrarekha Vibhushana, Maheshwari Vrusharudha, Trishula Varadharini, Mahahivalaya Prapta, Chandrarekha Vibhushana.
So Maheshwari now from Ishvara, she emerges on a bull, Vrisharoda, she's seated on a bull Trishula Varadharini, and she is holding a Trishulam in her hand like Shiva. Mahahi Valaya Prapta. Mahahi Valaya means Valaya. Mahahi Valaya means all the serpents. Shiva wears all the serpents as ornaments everywhere, as bangles and on the shoulder around his neck. So Mahahi Valaya. Mahahi Valaya means serpents. She's wearing serpents as bracelet. Mahahi Valaya. Prapta Chandra Rekha. She is also adorning a Chandra, crescent moon on her. Now we will get into the why she looks like that. Maheshwari is the form they have mentioned. They have not just mentioned an Ishwari. Maheshwari, Maheshwara. Shiva's aspect is Maheshwara. Maheshwara is supposed to be the destroyer of ignorance, and he's the lord of yogis. Lord of yogis. And Vrisharuda. What a Nandi actually implies is dharma. The Nandi in any temple, when you see Shiva temple especially, it denotes only dharma. That is why the kings those days in their scripts, what is that? What they have it in the so not Nandi Dvajam, no. In the that scepter that they hold, what it is called? Now our Prime Minister also installed it in our no, not in Ayodhya, in the Parliament. That one some Tamil name only it is. Suddenly that name is not coming. So Nandi denotes, it's a symbol of dharma. That is why the kings always held it, because in this that scepter that they had it in their hand, one Nandi is placed on top of it. So that Nandi has got 4 legs. It stands on 4 legs: truth, purity, compassion, and generosity. So those 4 legs represent truth, purity, compassion, and generosity. So Nandi is mentioned here, Vrisharuda. Trishulam. Trishulam, again, the 3 tips of the Trishulam denotes creation, sustenance, and the destruction. All the 3 main cosmic 3 gunas, that also you can say, but because it is Maheshwara here, we are mentioning as the 3 cosmic this thing, okay? Creation, preservation, and dissolution. Serpents as she is wearing like bangles. Serpents, that they symbolize eternal cycle of time, regeneration. Again, like immortality. The cycle of time that carries again and again. And the moon, in the same way, denotes passing of time. Waxing meaning moon doesn't stay in the same shape, it just waxing and waning keeps happening. So it just only denotes the passing of time. Sometimes it is high, sometimes it is low. It is not the same in life. It is like whatever it happens, it is all a circle that goes keep. Sometimes you go up, sometimes you come down. That is what. Sengol, correct. Sengol, thank you. Sengol, that is called Sengol. Sengol means like the one that upkeeper of the dharma. Sengol means with impartiality. That shows the king's impartiality. No, not favoritism to anybody. That is why it stands straight. There is no tilting on any side. That is why it is called Sengol. Sengol in Tamil actually means very poignant and very stable, no favoritism, always like keeping everybody in one kind of equality. That is what the king should keep like that. So on top of that Sengol is the Nandi is kept always. That Nandi denotes dharma. So he has to rule by the dharma and without any favoritism to anybody. That is the king's quality it is. Okay. Chengol. Malayalam it is Chengol. It is Sengol in Tamil. I think, should I stop with this? 16 we have finished, because there is some more descriptions of that. It is just going to go. Okay, we'll stop with this. Okay. We will recite whatever we learned. First line. Only 2, 3 are there. No? Ashtamodhyayah Dhyanam Om Arunam Karunatarangitakshim Dhrutapashankushapanachapahastam Animadibhiravrutam Mayukairahamityeva Vibhavaye Bhavanim. Om Rushiruvacha Chande cha nihate daitye Munde cha vinipatite Bahuleshu cha sainyeshu Shahiteshvasureshvaraha Tatah kopaparadhina Cheta shumbah pratapavan Udyogam sarva sainyanam Daityanamādideshah Adya sarva balairdaitya Shadashītirudāyudah Kambūnām caturashītir niryantu svabalairvrutāh Koti viryāni panchāshadasuranām kulāni vai Shatam kulāni dhaumrānām nirgaccantu mamānyaya Kālaka daurvritā mauryah kālakeyastatāsurāh Yuddhāya sajjā niryantu Ānyayātvaritā mama Ityāņāpyāsurapatiः Shumbho Bhairavashāsanah Nirjagāma mahāsainya Sahasrairbahuvirvritah Āyantam Chandikā društva Tatsainyamati-bhīshanam Jāsvanaih pūrayāmāsa Dharani gaganantaram Tatasimho mahānādamatīva krutavānrupa Gantāsvanena tannādamambikā chopabrummhayat Dhanurjya simha ghantānām Nādā pūrita dhingmukha Ninādair bhīshanaih khāli Jigye vistāritānana Tam ninādamupashrutya Daitya sainyaischathurdisham Devi simhastatha kāli Saroshaih parivaritaha Etasminnantare bhupa Vinashaya suradvisham Bhavayamarasimhanamativirya balanvitaha Brahmesha guha vishnunam Tatindrasya cha shaktayaha Sharirebhyo vinishkramya Tadrubhaischandikam yayuhu Yasya devasya yadrupam Yatha bhushana vahanam Tadvadeva hi tatshaktirasuran yodhumayayau Hamsa yukta vimanagre Saksha sutra kamandaluhu Ayata brahmana shaktir brahmani sabhidiyate Maheshwari vrusharudha Trishula varadharini Mahahimalaya prapta Chandrarekha Vibhushana